Let me encourage you. The money that you are waiting on, that you've been praying for, that you've been sowing seeds, expecting a harvest, the money is coming. I prophesy to you today that God is going to raise up somebody to write you a check. You're going to see unexpected income come to you. Let me tell you how I know. God is going to use people you never would have thought, never would have expected, even strangers, to bless you. I was minding my own business and God spoke to me to bless someone that I've met only one time, never really had a conversation with this person. And God spoke to me and said, I want you to write out a check. And God wanted this person to be blessed to the point to where I could not sleep. God began to speak to me all throughout my sleep. Every time I would turn, I would hear him tell me, write out that check for this specific amount. I prophesy that God is going to raise up strangers to write you checks, amounts that will exceed your mind. Ephesians 3:20 will be your portion. God is going to do exceedingly abundantly above all that you could ask or think. That's exceeding your mind, your mindset. Watch and see what I tell you. God is going to use people you never would have expected. On the flip side to that, there are many of you that God wants to use to write out checks to be the blessing. Do not override your spirit if God is challenging you to give and to sow into people, even if it's somebody that you do not know. So be encouraged. Obey God. If God is speaking to you, to be the one to write out the check, to make somebody else's desires or dreams come to pass. Don't ignore that tugging, that pulling, that inner voice that speaks to you and say, I want you to bless so-and-so.